Hey everybody, are you going in to go in or are you going out to go in? I like to do this exploration with my students. We pretend we're ice skaters and we make a big shape to start, and then we experiment with either making ourselves smaller to make a smaller shape, which is actually pretty difficult to balance, or we go out to go in by sending our head away from our foot and our elbows out into the space and our knee forward in space to go in as far as we want as we expand. It increases our ability to balance. It also increases our agility. It's more comfortable and it works better. You can try that with things like your bowing arm on the way for an up bow, or when you're grabbing your phone, are you crunching in or are you going out to go in? Try that. Let us know how you do and check back soon for more helpful hints.